I heard about this great product by Luminaid. It is a solar lantern that you can use. It's collapsible and you can use it to charge your phone. And so they sent me a product and I get to tell you a review. So let's unbox this and see what's all inside. Hi everyone, my name is Carrie. I am a financial coach, an entrepreneur, a small business owner, and I love to do gardening, cooking, and camping. So this is a great fit. I don't know about you, but my phone is constantly dying when I'm camping because I take a lot of videos and pictures while I'm out there. And so I thought this would be an awesome product to see if it can keep my phone charged as much as I need it to. So this is the Luminaid Packlite Titan 2-in-1 phone charger. It has a 2-in-1 phone charger and portable lantern, and it's powered by solar and USB. It has 300 lumens and it is waterproof as well. And it has a white and red over here color modes. What it charges is your smartphone, your tablet, your camera, your headlamp. It recharges in 16 to 20 hours of direct sun. It charges via your USB port. It has a 100-hour max runtime per charge and 2 years of storage life, 5 brightness settings, and will cover 300 square feet of lighting area. There are no batteries needed for this. It's made from sustainable materials, tested for extreme conditions, perfect for reading, which I love to do when I'm camping. Has a powerful impact and an adjustable strap. That's what I can learn from the packaging to make sure that you charge this outside for optimal charging. And today we have a beautiful day to give this a try. And that's why I thought I'd do this with you outside. All right, well, look at how compact that is. Here's your little bit of instruction manual. Looks pretty simple to figure out. So the first thing important is to not charge it indoors, as windows can block sunlight, to charge it outside for optimum charging. It's very important to make sure that the plastic cap, right here, covers the USB port, secure, and it is securely closed before any water activities. This product is not fully waterproof if the plastic cap is open. So either charge this outside in direct sunlight for 16 to 20 hours or by micro USB input for 2 to 4 hours. The red LED light indicates the battery is charging. To expand, open the valve on the bottom. Okay, here we go. Let's give this a go. We're gonna open this up. So here's the charging cord. I'm gonna see how long I can charge it outdoors with sunlight. It is 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so we are in Alberta. I do have a lot of sunlight. We'll see whether it's enough. I know it's not gonna be my 16 to 20 hours. Okay, so expand it, open the valve at the bottom, pull the top and bottom apart while twisting. Oh, look at that. Sweet. All right, that was, can it go back down? Oh, it goes back down nicely too. That's great. Okay. There you go again. Okay. Press the button. Let's close that back up again. Okay. Cycle through the lighting modes and power on off. When not in use, twist and compress to flatten. Okay, plug portable devices into the USB port. Press battery indicator button to turn on the power to the port. Recharge the phones and tablets in 2 to 4 hours with the built-in 4,000 megahertz battery. Press battery button to see how much charge is in the battery. And there is a battery charge right there. You can see that. There you go. So press that on. Let's leave this in the sun and see how it does. The battery does come partially charged. Before each use, either charge outside in direct sun. or using the USB cord, which is here. Keep in mind the windows block light again and slow down the charging. For best solar charging performance, charge outside. And of course it varies based on your location and the time of year. For best performance on the turbo setting, make sure the product is fully charged, outside in direct sun. In charging overcast skies, use medium or low setting for maximum battery life. Do not expose product to fire. Avoid charging on black dart surfaces for an extended period to prevent battery from overheating. And built-in battery holds enough charge after 2 years in storage for a night of use. Cool. To ensure product is fully charged when you need it, recharge it at least every 3 to 4 months. Okay. Let's put this product to work. We're going to leave this outside for the next couple of hours, as long as we can while the sunlight is shining, and see what we get for our charge. And if it's not enough, I'm going to take it inside and give it a plug into the wall so that it is fully charged before we use it for the first time.
There we go.
So we took the Luminaid camping and gave it a good trial run. So I wanted to answer a few questions that I found online that people have about this product. And so I thought I could answer those and help you figure out whether this is a purchase that you'd like to make for yourself. So the first question is the Luminaid waterproof? So it has the outlets that you can charge the actual unit with if you're not using solar, and also to charge your phone with. It does seal around it, and it's a tight seal there. Okay. The bottom also has, there you go. So it's nice and compact this way, like that, for easy storage, and that in itself is waterproof. But when you set it up, open the backing, twist it open, sucks in air, and then you push that in, I should say, and seal that up. And this is a waterproof unit. And this is something that if I had little kids, I would feel more than comfortable to let them walk around carrying this lantern, where whenever we had that old-fashioned propane lantern, that was something they were not allowed to touch. This, take it kids, go for it, have fun walking through the trees, totally safe and accessible for everybody to enjoy, no matter what the age is. I really enjoyed reading with this light. Another question is how can you tell if it's fully charged? So you can check the battery by pressing this button to see the output. Now I'm not sure if you can see that. There you go. So by pushing this button right here, you can see whether it is fully charged or not. And mine has all 4 green bars, which means that it is fully charged. When they light up, you'll know that it's charged, whether it is 0% or 100% or anywhere in between. And the more charged that the lantern is itself, the more charge it has to give your phone. So when you go camping, if you need to use the Luminaid to charge your phone, you do need to bring your phone charger. And you take it, you open up this, plug that in, and you're ready to charge your phone, just like so. Went outside when it was really dark to show you just how bright this light is and how it looks as it goes through the different stages. And this is a lantern as it goes through the different red lights and the different degrees of brightness. Question was the runtime on this specific lantern. It is on high, which is the brightest that it can be. It will last 6 to 8 hours. Medium light, it will last 12 to 14 hours. Low, 18 to 24 hours. And flashing, 36 to 48 hours. I think that applies the same for the red light. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I have to admit I use the white light all the time when I was using it. I did use red to check. Honestly, where I thought I would use the red light would be if I had this in my vehicle and needed something to alert people's attention to the fact that my car was on the side of the road, or I needed somehow to get someone's attention. I'd be using the red light in that situation or emergency situation, not so much the white light. But anyway, I just want to say thank you to Luminaid for sending this to me for a review. It will come highly recommended. I give this a 5 out of 5 stars, and that's not because I was asked to give that review, but because of how much I like the product. So go get yourself one of these lanterns. I'm going to post the link on where you can buy that on Amazon or directly on their site. I'll post both of those links so that you can figure out where to get this one. Honestly, I have to admit, this is probably my favorite. It's the most up-to-date or the newest one, but the collapsibility on that is just superb. And keeping it in a nice compact thing. Like you saw my video on 20 items to have in my emergency preparedness pack, this needs to go in. I'm not having flashlights with batteries and finding flashlights that are chargeable. This answers all that solutions. So for those of you that watched my things to have in emergency preparedness pack, this is going in it as well. And then I'm going to need another one to go with my camping stuff, and probably a third one to go in my truck so that I have that. If you don't have a flare in your car and needed to have something to draw attention to your vehicle, putting this red light on your car or near your car so someone doesn't hit it would be an added plus. So many different ways to use this product. That is definitely a 5 out of 5. So enjoy, hope you enjoy it too. And thank you, Luminaid, for the opportunity to research this product, learn more about this product, and to find out for myself how much I love it. Sharing content like this is something that I enjoy doing, and I appreciate your patience with me as I'm learning and growing with my channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And if there's other content that you're hoping that I can also do, please comment below. I'd love to learn how I can better improve my channel and be able to help you as viewers. Thank you so much for being part of this community and for your support and love for me. I appreciate it so much. It makes it worth doing. You have a great day, and I will see you next week.